Hey, it's Paola AZ and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use iOS 14 to customize your home screen and make it match your personality. So, let's BTM right into it. If at any point I'm going too fast, please pause. Hope you enjoy. So step 1, you're going to want to declutter your iPhone. So this means delete any apps, reorganize any folders, and if you want to remove any apps from your home screen and move them to the Apple library, you choose the app you want to remove, you press down on it, you press the minus button, you press remove from home screen, make sure you don't press delete app. So once you press remove from home screen, it'll be moved to your Apple library and you don't have to worry about it being on your home screen. I personally like to keep all my apps on my home screen in their folders because they're all color-coded. So next step is to choose a theme, aesthetic, or vibe. So basically a theme or aesthetic or vibe is like something that is very fluid and uniform that matches you, that you love, and that you personally like. So honestly, I like going onto Pinterest and just searching iOS 14 home screens. There's so many options and there's such a variety. Like if you want black and white, or if you want colorful, if you want neutrals, if you want bears, if you want the Maze Runner theme, if you want whatever theme you want, there's such a variety. So I definitely recommend going into Pinterest and checking those out. So as soon as you choose your aesthetic and theme, you're going to want to find wallpapers that match that theme, and you're going to want to download them to your cell phone so you have them saved to your camera roll. So once you chose all of the images, you're going to want to go to your camera roll, make sure they're all saved, that they all match, and that you're satisfied with the ones you chose. Our next step is to download a couple of apps. So you're going to want to open the App Store and search Widgetsmith. This is an app that has a black background and a blue box on top of the background. Once you search Widgetsmith, you find it, you press get. This is going to download to your phone and this will help with adding widgets. The next app actually came with an update for Apple quite a bit ago, but if you don't have it, it's called Shortcuts. So you just log into the Apple Store again and then you search Shortcuts and it should pop up. It's a purple app with multi-colors on top. Just press get and it should download. This is going to help change your app icons. You're also going to want to download color widgets. This is going to help add more widgets to your home screen that are more customizable to your liking. So before we get into customizing and having a bunch of fun, I wanted to show you my before. So this is my lock screen. It has some Pocky sticks on it. It's animated and I honestly think it's super cute. This is my home screen. I have a couple widgets with reminders and the date and the time. So I've removed all my widgets and all my app icons and etc. So I have a blank canvas to start with. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go to your photos. You're going to look at all the wallpapers you just downloaded. You're going to want to choose a wallpaper for your lock screen and your home screen. For the lock screen, it can be a little busier and a little bit more dynamic, but for your home screen, make sure it's a little bit more simple because it's going to be covered in widgets and apps. So this is what I chose for my lock screen and this is what I chose for my home screen. I love the plants and I love the vibe and how they match. So now the fun begins. So you're going to open up Widgetsmith. You're going to choose the size of your widget. There's 3 different sizes. You're going to press add widget. You're going to press on that widget. You're going to scroll down to photo. Then you can choose an aesthetic or theme, like a candy cane border or a glow border, whatever border you're in the vibe for. I am not going to do a border. I just personally don't like how they look. Then you're going to press select photo. Then you get to choose whatever photo you want to put on a widget. And then as soon as you select that photo, you're going to be able to adjust the alignment. So if it's uneven or something, you can fix that right up. Then you press save and it's saved. So color widgets is very similar to use like Widgetsmith. You get to customize your colors in the widgets and the fonts. It's just you can put a lot more on widget, like countdowns, more variety of colors, quotes, and etc. Now that you've created all the widgets that you love and that you enjoy and that you think will go well with your theme, we're going to want to edit our home screen. So you're going to press down on your home screen. When you press down on your home screen, a little plus icon will appear on the top corner. You're going to press that plus icon, and then you'll be able to choose whatever widget you want to choose. There's color widgets, fitness widgets, reminder widgets, weather widgets, GPS widgets. There's such a variety of widgets. I just recommend choosing the ones that will match your theme and you think will be more helpful. Now we got to do our app covers. So you're going to use shortcuts. You're going to open that up. You're going to see a little plus button on the top corner. You're going to press that plus button. You're going to press add action. Then you're going to press scripting. Then open app. Then you're going to be able to choose whatever app you want to open. I chose Amazon for the first one. And then you're going to press the three dots. You're going to be able to name that shortcut. You name the shortcut to the corresponding app, of course. Then you're going to press add to home screen. Then you're going to choose the app icon that's already selected next to the name. Then you're going to press choose photo. And then you get to choose any photo that you want as the app icon from your app library. This can be random wallpapers or corresponding app icons. Just remember that any apps you put on the dock will not have the title because they're on the dock. So this is the final result. I really like the color palette. I love all the codes I added. I love the pages. I think my favorite page will have to be the last one because it's my practical page, so it has all the things that I normally would need to use. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next week.